Hello and welcome back to another video from Jerba Campervans. Now we've got another T6.1 conversion that's just been finished and it's been prepped ready for the customer to pick up sometime later on this week. And it is a Jerba Tiree, one of our really popular layouts. It's looking really good. It's in a different colour from the last ones that I've shown you around. So we're going to take the opportunity just to have a quick look at this before it goes out. I'll show you another one of our conversions. And this one's also in their new grey. It's absolutely lovely. It's one of my favourite colours. So we'll show you that too. And yeah, let's go in and we'll have a look at what's inside this camper van. This is the new Volkswagen T6.1 and we've built this camper van from new. The customer spec'd this camper van with us. They've spec'd everything they want in the base van. So they wanted a certain colour of paint and they wanted a certain engine, all that kind of stuff. They spec'd their van with us. We then place the order with Volkswagen on their behalf, have the van manufactured. It's then brought to us and we start the conversion when the van's unregistered. And the customer also specs out the full conversion, all the work that we do. So they've chosen to have, you know, this colour of furniture, this colour of worktop. They've chosen the hob, the sink, the combination of sort of accessories, if you will. And this one's looking absolutely wonderful. It's got the Gerber elevating roof on it. So all our new conversions come with our own Gerber elevating roof. It's, you know, a really fantastic roof that's been sort of engineered to perfection, and we like to keep it exclusive to our Jerba camper vans for our Gerber customers. It's yeah, something you won't get anywhere else, and we're very, very proud of not only our camper vans but our roofs too. This camper has a 120 seat in the back. It's a rib seat, the best seats that you can get in the market in my opinion. And they fold down into a bed quite easily. You've got all this storage space inside. And super simple mechanism just to fold it down into a double bed. They're really, really comfortable. They're really, really safe, easy to use, and they look great. Ignore the table at the back there. So we'll just pop this back up. So in this Tiree, it's a kitchen in the front elevation camper van. It does also have a roof bed. We've got the slatted roof bed. It's really, really comfortable. The slats make a huge difference in terms of sort of airflow and comfort, and it's a really nice bed. It's a Gerber manufactured roof bed, so you won't find that anywhere else too. And yeah, really, really nice. Like all our other conversions, they come with two swiveled seats at the front, so you can spin them around and create that nice sort of seating area that you see here. And also all the typical sort of storage space that you would expect in the van. So we've got the overhead lockers here and a double depth sort of trunk in here that's great for bedding or sort of big items. And this customer has spec'd the van with what we call a can sink, so really nice little sink and tap combination. And also the very popular Wallace Hob. Now I'll just unclip the child safety, open the hob. And the Wallace is a sort of diesel hot plate. It's a diesel hob, and it also doubles up as a night heater. So what you can do is close the lid. I like to just engage the child lock, and then you can use the sort of thermostatic control on the front here just to activate the fan in the unit, and it becomes a really, really efficient night heater. And you can run that all night, and it's nice and quiet. It'll keep your van nice and warm. So yeah. It's got the fridge, as you'd expect with all the conversions. I'll just turn that off. And yeah, it's looking absolutely great. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of another van before it goes out. I know you guys have been giving some really great feedback, saying that you really just like to have a look at what vans are sort of coming out of Gerber here. So here's another one. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. As always, if there's any questions or if there's any videos that we can film, please let me know and we'll do it as soon as possible. And yeah, see you in the next one.